Hi, I try to show you today how you can make one freehand sketch, 1 point perspective, but with proportion, alright? Imagine that is your paper, more small of course, and you try to do your sketch there. What you need to do is one line in the center of your paper, you know, like this, and divide this line, okay, first in two, okay, and then in four. Okay. Now we have four. That means that is 4 meters wide, and then we do 3 meters high because we have now the proportion of 1 meter. We need to go up 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, and we do the same in the end of here, and then close the space, and we have the end of the wall of our bedroom. In the middle of this wall, we will put 1 point that will be the vanishing point. In my opinion, you know, the vanishing point is where all the line is gone, or all the line is vanished, no? But you maybe understand better if we say this vanishing point is where all this line is come, because if you see, all the line is coming from here, from there. See? 1, 2, 3, and this is the other wall, 4. Now we have, you see, all the wall of this bedroom. Then we project the 1 meters there, okay? We go the same, you know, we make one line in the first meter, another line in the second meters, and another line in the 3 meters. We have 4 meters there. What we need to do now is, because we try to control the floor by tiles of 50 by 50, we divide that meter in two, you know, half, 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 and we have now 8. And again, we project to the end of the room, okay? The noise, like that. Now we have 4 long line, you know, sorry, 8 long line. That's supposed to be the line of our tile. Okay, when you see in perspective something in the distance, any size, the white, what you see, the white, imagine, sorry, is 1 square, no? The white can be 1 meter, but the long is the half, 50, okay? But because we have 50, we will see 50 wide, but when we draw, the square look like 50 by 25, okay? You see, because that is 50, and that's supposed to be 25, we give it that size for make the square in proportion, in perspective, okay? You can see, this is 25, and make one line. This is how it look like 150 by 50 square tiles in the distance, you know? It look 50 wide by 25 long, okay? What we will do now is, from this corner, we make one diagonal line from one side of the tiles to the other side. You see the diagonal line? And cross all the room, like that, okay? And now, you can see this diagonal line touch the second tiles, the second line, okay? In there, you make another horizontal line. I do it one side for you to understand and not be confused. You see, next one, we saw this diagonal line here. And we make another line. And there is here. And this is the next one. And this is the next one. And supposed to be here, this is the next one, okay? And then you can see where the line is connect with the perspective cam. Then you go there, 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 with a nose, like a cat. Okay. Okay, now we have one floor of tile of 50 by 50 in perspective, okay? We will make here the bed. Normally, one double bed has 2 meters wide, the good one. Because this is the center of our room, we take 2 tiles, that is 1 meter, okay, and make up one line, and make 2 tiles, 1 meter, and make one up line. I try to change the color so you can see better. See if that works. You see? 2 tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's 50, it gives you 2 meters, okay? And because in here is one, you remember 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, we do with the same reference of this meter. Because one bed normally have 50 centimeters high, we take half of this, and then we cut the end of this bed, like that. And from the vanishing point, project, remember? 1 line, 2 line, and this is the line of the bottom, the other line, you see? And because also one bed is 2 meters long, we count 50, 50, 50, 50, that is 2 meters, and then we make another vertical up, and another vertical up, okay? And now we have the bed. What happens is, in the end, we make like this, and like this. You can see? This is the box of the bed. And now we make the headboard. Simple one, like that. We put the pillow. Okay? We have our bed. Then we put one line here to the covers. Also, we will put 2 bedside tables, both sides of the bed. We go near to the bed and make one line up, the same height of your bed, and we take the size of one tiles, you see the tile here, and make one vertical line up, and then close, the same height of the bed, you see, and the same here, one line up, and then same side of the bed, and we have the back of the bed. And then again the same, with the vanishing point, we project a little bit line, also in the floor, and the same on here, you see? One line, another line, and another line. And we take the reference of the end of 50 centimeters long of this tile and make one line up, and then close. You see? We have 2 boxes for that bedside table. And remember the same, when we do here, if you make a diagonal line in your in there, one cross in the middle of the top, that gives you the center of your bedside table. Then we make one line straight, vertical, do the same here, vertical, okay? And in here, we make the lamp. We make here one line, the same height of your headboard, and then something like that for the screen, okay? And then you go up, down, then the same, approximately. This is only a sketch. And from that we put anything, like one, you know, something like that, okay? Something like that, you know, very simple. And then you have your 2 bedside table with the lamp, with the bed, okay? If we want to put one wardrobe, the same. Normally, if you put a wardrobe in front of one bed like that, it's better the slide door wardrobe, okay? And then we go 50 centimeters after the bedside table, you see this one, and make one line up. And then we say 50, 1 meter, 1 meter 50. We say one wardrobe of 150 wide. We count, you know, the floor, for example, 51, we say 2 meters, no? And we make another, you see, 50, 50, 50, 54 is 2 meters. And then we make one vertical line. Then, you see, normally wardrobe can be 2 meters high, no? We take the reference in here, remember it say 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, the height of your rooms. Go to this point and the same, from the vanishing point, go there and then, yep, cut like this. And you take it, divide that by the tiles and make one vertical line like that, okay? And that will be the door of your wardrobe. And this will be, for example, mirror, you know, make something like this. And another one here, and another one here, okay? will be the wardrobe, a slide door wardrobe. We make the thickness, if you like, so you can see the door better, okay? I drop it. We will do the same for a window. We come here, and in here, in the same 50 centimeters from the wall, we make one line up, and then we do the same, 2 meters, you know, 50, 50, 50, 50, and then you have here, you know, another vertical line. And from the vanishing point, the same. You go like that, touch that, and then, yep, cut it this. Then divide that in two, to put here 2 doors, no? And then you see, you go with the tile, 1, 2, this is 2, is 1 meter, and go up. After that, you put the same, put 1 bar in the top of your window, and then make here 1 window. Normally, we put curtains, and curtain normally is tied about 1 meter high from the floor, because we have here 1 meter reference. We go like that, and mark there, and if it starts coming like that, you see, remember, everything is coming from the vanishing point. You go like this, and that. And in here, you make 1 line from the back of your curtains to the floor, and from the back of the curtain to the floor, to make a little bit more bigger, okay? If you like, make something simple, because we are trying to sketch some idea we have in our mind, no? And then from the middle of the window, we make some curves like that, and some curves like that. And from this, go down, and then cut, and down, and cut. And then you have your curtains. And from the top, if you like, anyway, you make line like that, and make like that. You see? Simple. Remember, this is only because you have one idea, and you want to capture before you forgot. In the middle, you have 1 line. Remember, we have 1 line. Make another line for make the height, the thickness, sorry, of the frame of the window. That's supposed to be window, okay? And make the frame, because the window needs to hold in the glass, okay? And we make the thickness like this. I suggested to all my students that put 1 chair in your bedroom, more if you are a single man. These have a very, very, very big important things. I will tell you one day. What we do is we will put some place to sit here. You know, we project, you know, that we have 4 tiles, okay? We cut 1 tile in 2, and 1 tile in 2, and then we cut it like this. And then make up 1 vertical line, but don't go to the top of your bed. And then cut this line like this, and from the vanishing point, you know, like that, cut this, and from here, cut like this. And then vertical from the end of this place, from the end of this place. Okay? And then close. You see? Close. And this will be where you will sit. I will put the leg. I will put the leg. Okay. I will grab that so you can see where you seated. And here. And I will grab these things also so you can see your bed. Now you can see your bed. Okay? You see now how you gonna see it? We grab that because you don't need this line. Okay, you don't need this line. This is the line of your bed. Okay, this is the line of your bed. The best thing you can do in your bed, put 1 picture in the top of your wardrobe. Oh, sorry, on your wardrobe. In the top of your headboard, put a big picture. Okay, big picture to give it that bedroom some nice feeling, some good atmosphere. In my opinion, the best thing you can put it more for a couple is 1 seaside, okay, with a lighthouse. Believe me, this is very good for couple. You see, this is where the lighthouse, and then you put the place like that. Because you can put there very calm color, no, like blue, like green, you know, and this element will be very nice. After this, you know, if you like, you can put any other lamp or no. you can finish your bedroom to put in front of your seat here one rug. That can be by eyes, because rug can be any size, you see? I put this like this to make other lines, so you can see different things. And you can see how quick you can make some idea you will have for any rooms you want to, and you need to draw in proportion and to show to your client, because sometimes you're thinking something about one idea for anything, about bedroom, living room, or everything, and you forgot completely. You think you retain in your memory, but you can't. But you have a sketchbook, you can draw quick there, and then you can recover it, and then you can make that, you know? Anyway, this is my idea to how easy it is to draw one point perspective in proportion, hand-free sketch. Okay? That's very nice. See you soon. Bye.